Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you Volkswagen 2012 Passat. Today I'm going to upgrade the license plate to LED. This is the nighttime, you can see it, the license plate. You need flathead screwdriver. You can see there is small notch. Once you put the flathead screwdriver, you can see this one has the bulb. In order to take it out, get a small screwdriver, put it on the back and push it just like this. As you can see, it comes out. And on this side, we're going to take the bulb out. As we see, it comes out. So these are the LEDs. We're going to use it, and these are the one we took it out. So we're going to put it inside the slot, and we're going to press it in, just like this. On the second one, the same way. We put it in all the way back. And now we're going to turn it on, and you will see it. It looks super bright. We're going to put it back in. Just you put it in and then press it, and look at this. We're going to put inside and then we're going to press it. And look at this. Let me show you from far. You can see it very clear. I hope you like this upgrade. If you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.